Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. What's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Holochain. Holochain is one of the best cryptocurrencies, grows up in a market of cryptocurrencies in the April. So friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction of Holochain and what's the price change occur in Holochain and what is the high price of Holochain and what should you do at this time and what should you do to if you are a Holochain, what should you do at this time, and if you want to buy a Holochain, so it is the best time to buy, sell or hold Holochain. I will show you in this video friends. Now let's see the price prediction of Holochain of the previous last 2 hours. After according to the price prediction we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Holochain of the previous last 2 hours. So friends, if we look the average change of Holochain in the previous last 2 hours, so the average change is about negative 9.14% change occur in Holochain in the previous last 2 hours friends, and the high price of Holochain is about $0.027396 is the high price of Holochain in the last 2 hours. That's the change in the last 2 hours. Absolutely bad change occur in the Holochain and the previous hours. If we look the chart analysis of Holochain, so the chart tells us that continuously falls down. As you can see here, after this time they falls down, continuously falls down. And now if we look the currently status of the Holochain in the market, so currently they are also in the falling down. So now that is the last 2 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Holochain in a cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, that it's currently time of Holochain is falling down. As you can see, a very bad change occur in Holochain in the last 1 hour. Negative 9.56% change occur in a Holochain in the last 1 hour. That's only price change in the last 1 hour of Holochain you are watching now. And the high price of Holochain is about $0.026925 is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 hour. And friends, if we look the Holochain price prediction chart, so the chart tells us that continuously falls down. And now if we look the currently situation of Holochain, so currently they are also in the falls. So friends, according to the price prediction of Holochain falls down in the start of this last 2 hours, they continuously falls down. So friends, don't worry about the falling of Holochain. Every cryptocurrency falls down for a later time, and after a later time they again grows up. So friends, if you look the Holochain price prediction chart of the previous last 1 month, last 7 days, so the Holochain start growing upward, the Holochain start jumping in the April. So April is a Holochain month. Hold your Holochain with the end of this month. Hope they will make you a millionaire in this month. Thank you so much for watching this video, and my suggestion for all of you to hold it. And what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.